All right, we got a midweek haul here. This is over $95 worth of stuff, and I had an overage moneymaker of $14, around $14. Doing it, there's a new extra savings book out that came out yesterday, February 25th. Today's February 26th, and some good deals coming out. So, hopefully you watched my last video on Thursday. Posting this next video now. Today is Sunday. So a couple more deals you could do throughout the week. And the reason I did, they came back in ibotta. And some of them are just new deals. So let's get right into it. I got my receipt here and everything. But let's get right into it. We had these came back in ibotta. They are regular price $4.99. So when you add them together, $9.98. And there is a Publix digital coupon for buy one, get one free. So that took $4.89 off. $4.89 off. And then ibotta has $2 back on each one, making them only 99 cents for both of them. I was working up to my category coupon that is expired today, so I wanted to use it when I spend $75, get $10 off. And the best is some of these deals are really good, like these, and you get a BOGO coupon, so that's already $10 you're getting up there. This was another great deal. It was around $13. So that really helps you get, because these are before coupons. I'm going to get into that deal. That was one of my favorite ones here. But let's start with our tennis pads that really helped us get the moneymaker here. So 3 tennis pads and 6 Band-Aids. So the 3 tennis pads are $5.99 each. Times 3 is $17.97. Factor 6 of these at $2.12 each. That equals $12.72 for these, plus $17.97. You're looking at $30.69. So you're over that threshold. That gives it's a digital coupon that takes $10 off. So I did my digital coupons first this time. So I wanted to make sure that came off. So by buying these, I had $10 off, and then in the new extra savings book, there's $2 off of each one of these, plus you can use a limit of 1 on this 75 cents off any Band-Aid item. So you're looking at $12.75 for those in coupons. And as I said, they cost $12.72. So you're already at a 3 cent moneymaker on those. Added these with the tax. It's like 32. I got a breakdown below, 32 something. So it was around $2 plus another $2 each, because there is a manufacturer coupon that takes $4 off. So I used 3 of these $4 off coupons. I don't have the picture of it because I used them all. But there's also a manufacturer printable that's $4 off too. I got the link to print that below. So I used, I bought 3 tennis and 6 Band-Aid items, the ones that are $2.12. There's this one. There's a green box one that's like a $10 of some gauze. And first thing I did, I wanted to make sure that digital came off. So make sure you got that collect. I got my competitor coupon, and then the digital came off. So that was $10 off. Then I used $4. There were 3 $4 coupons, 1, 2, 3, from the Smart Source today, February 26th. So I used 3 of those, or you can use the printable ones. And I used 6 of these, and I used one of those from the Save 2.5. So for those right there, I believe was around, coupons.com also had $4 back as well. So I believe these were around like an $8 overage right there for those guys right there. Now, for some reason, the manufacturer did not scan, but they pushed it through. I don't know, that maybe the order I did it in by doing the $10 off of 31st, and it's like a category coupon if you spend, so it should be able to use manufacturer coupons as well. Definitely can use store coupons. Regardless, let me know in the comments if you did it the other way, where you gave them these first and these. I always give my store coupons last, but these, the manufacturers, and then digital at the end, see if that worked. I did it this way. I did the digital first before any coupons, so I make sure that came off, and then I hit them with 3 of these. Well, all right, another deal. Talked about that deal. Tates came back in ibotta, or there's it's 75 cents now, but there's 3 different versions, so I still have a $1 one, and it's a free one, so $1. That's a $1 money maker on that. Kodiak cakes. Did not take my fetch off this time, but $6.59 off and $1 off printables. I got the link to print that below. $1 back and $1 back in ibotta. Made those only like $2.79 for those guys. Chobani as well, same kind of thing from this week's February 26th Smart Source. There is a $2 off one that started today. So the other one expired, so I used that one of those, and Checkout 51 has $1 off 2, as well as ibotta had $1 and $1 back on those. So that made that only 99 cents for both. And once again, I had $10 off my total purchase, so I was just got over 75. It was like $75.28 or something. That Tates comes in handy. It's $1, pushed me over. All right. Tide, these are regular price, are $6.99 each, so you're looking at around like $15.02 with tax, something like that. However, they're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $7.51. Manufacturer printable for $2 off. I used 2 of those. I got the link to print that below. Coupons.com also had $2 off, made that like $1.51. All right, Asper cream. This is a great deal here. These were, gosh, $6.79 each. Gosh, my math on that is going to be 13, I'll forget it, 58, something like that, for those. And there is a manufacturer printable. Got the link to print that below for $4 off. Asper cream arthritis product. So for arthritis and joint, you know, I can't argue with that. So these, as I said, $13.58, $4 off, and $4 off. That was $8 to the good. And then in the new extra savings book, there is this is the ones I love, the buy one get one free store coupon, where you're up to 75, and then this is a $6.79 coupon, a $4 coupon, a $4. I mean, that really helped. Anyway, $6.79, and it's like $14.79, and I said it was like $13.58. So you're looking at $1.21 overage just on those 2 right there. Once again, I had this guy here help me build up. So yeah, let's look at our receipt here. So I had the tennis, 3 tennis, 6 Band-Aid. That was what I said, and that was when the digital came off. At Johnson's Digital, so check your digital account for that. Expires March 4th, I believe. Then we hit them with this 75-cent one right there. I hit them with 4 of these. That was here, and as I said, they had a manual to put those in. 444. I don't know why, but let me know if you do the order different. It comes out. Then we had the Dannon deal, which was $4.99 for those 2. Well, $4.99 each. Digital coupon right there, 49 off. So good. And then, as I mentioned, ibotta gave me $2 and $2. Chobani deal we did, $4.99, $4.99, and it was a free one. So we had the vendor coupon for $1. Checkout 51 had $1. Ibotta had $1. So it made only 99 cents. Kodiak waffles. Make sure you get the power waffles. There's like the thick and fluffy ones that are more at my store, but they were $6.59. And we had $1 or $1 and $1 vendor coupons, as well as we had $1 and $1 from ibotta, and then you might have a fetch. Gave me $2 last time. I mentioned before I had coupons.com also has $4 back on that if and you don't have one of these. If and that's all I'll say. Right. Asper cream. Oh, the Tide. Tide was $6.99 BOGO, so it was like $7.51. And for those Tides, I used a $2 off. $2 off and a $2 off. I had coupons.com, if and. Use that, another $2 to the good. Asper cream, $6.79. I was right on those. And there's the store coupon, BOGO Asper cream. And I also used those $4 off and $4 off as well. And the Asper cream, Tates cookies, they're $1. And there's a digital coupon for a free one. That was $1. And ibotta had the $1. And my competitor coupon always helps. I don't know what I'll do next week. Actually, I don't think I'm going to have a video next week. I got a friend coming in town, so I'm going to spend some time with her. So don't know if I'll have a Thursday video. She probably doesn't want to this boring couponing here. No, this is great. Anyways, please subscribe. That funny looking guy right there. Check out my other video a couple days back. And everybody enjoy their couponing this week, or their midweek couponing. Oh, I had the midweek bonus also come off, so that made me have our there we go. So 326 spent. I didn't finish. 326 spent. $9 from Ibotta plus the other one, so it's another $1 for the midweek bonus. $10. $8 from coupons.com. I got like 6 cents from Fetch, 5 cents from Merrifield. $14.80. I didn't even do the math there, so it's close to $14.80. Anyways, that's it. Enjoy your couponing.